Alexa, open my Bhagavad Gita.
Welcome to the Bhagavad Gita. You can request a verse by chapter and verse numbers, request a verse by topic, or ask for a random verse.
Play chapter 1, verse 10.
Chapter 1, verse 10.
अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्रिदवेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्.
Our strength is immeasurable, and we are perfectly protected by grandfather Bhishma, whereas the strength of the Pandavas, carefully protected by Bhima, is limited.
Play a verse about happiness.
A verse about happiness, from chapter 5, verse 23. Request a verse by topic,
Alexa,
or
play a random verse.
Chapter 8, verse 3.
श्रीभगवानुवाच